Tired of the same old Arc browser icon staring back at you from your dock? Let's spice things up and give your Arc browser a personalized makeover. First, navigate to your Applications folder. The easiest way to get there is by opening Finder. Look for Applications in the sidebar or use the Go menu and select Applications. Find Arc browser in your Application folder. Right-click on the Arc browser icon. A menu will appear. Select Show Package Contents from the list. A new Finder window will open, revealing the contents of the Arc browser package. Double-click on the Contents folder, and then double-click on the Resources folder. Inside the Resources folder, you'll find the file named app.icns. This is the file we need to replace. This is Arc browser icon. Keep this in mind. Now, locate the image you want to use as your new Arc browser icon. Make sure it is saved in .icns format or a high-resolution PNG for best results. Drag your custom icon file and replace the original app.icns file. Finder will prompt you to authenticate with your administrator password. Enter your password to allow the replacement. If the file is PNG, you need to convert it to .icns file before replacing. Use online tools to convert easily. And that's it. Restart your Arc browser to see your brand new, personalized icon in action. Enjoy customizing your Arc browser and making it truly your own.